put so much effort into something and you get it, it feels so good. And it took time because I have this accent. I sound so American. First, I had to learn Hindi. I know myself very well. But what I didn't anticipate is how hard acting is. Listen, I'm this young and I'm complaining about the heat. She never complained. In the actor's world, it's not that. You have to answer to everybody else. Because पहले जब मैं auditions दे रही थी, they were like, अच्छा ठीक है, cute था, but I don't think it's happening anytime soon. Please call me. I'm available. I'm always available. आपके लिए तो मैं बिल्कुल free हूँ.
हाय गाइस, आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसी कलाकार हैं जिनकी आवाज़ ने तो काफ़ी जादू बिखेर ही दिया है और साथ ही अब वो बड़े पर्दे पर भी धमाल मचा रही हैं. तो वेलकम लीजा मिश्रा टू आवर चैनल. कैसा लग रहा है ये बड़े पर्दे पर का जो ट्रांजिशन हुआ है?
I think it's been crazy because I didn't think I would ever do anything like this with my life. Musician बनने का कोई प्लान ही नहीं था, पर अभी I think एक्ट्रेस को तो बहुत ही दूर की बात थी. So I think every day I'm living, it's like a dream.
So ये go with the flow वाले सीन्स चल रहे हैं या फिर कुछ ऐसा था एक बचपन में सपना कि नहीं ये तो करना है, इस टाइप की कुछ?
सपना ऐसा कुछ actually नहीं था because I didn't believe this was possible because I lived in the US my whole life.
Yeah.
तो इतनी दूर रहने के बाद I think you don't think this is something you can achieve. क्योंकि वापस आना पड़ा मुझे, and then I had to resettle here, do this from ground up, from zero. I had to start with my career. So I don't think anyone would have that dream कि ये actually मैं कर सकती हूँ, ये possible है. So I think I just loved Bollywood music and Bollywood films.
But we have seen like जिस हिसाब से कॉल मी बे में भी हमें देखने को मिला था, was super. Like हमने अभी तक बस आवाज वाली वो सुनी थी ना, and वो जब एक्स्ट्रा कुछ निकल कर गया, oh.
Yeah, it's been actually really nice. Response बहुत बढ़िया है. दोनों shows के लिए actually acting के लिए भी. So I'm very very happy कि मैं निभा रही हूँ अच्छे से ये दो roles so far. और देखते हैं आगे क्या होगा.
तो ये The Royals कैसे आई आपके तक?
I auditioned 6 times for this role. It was a long audition process because कई projects होते हैं जहाँ पे director और writers के vision बहुत exact होते हैं, and they want a certain look, they want a certain feel for the character. So sometimes when the audition process is very big and long, it's a good thing.
Yeah, obviously.
Because they are very sure कि हमें ये ही चाहिए और इनसे ही चाहिए. So I'm okay with the fact
they
that
were digging कि हाँ अभी तो ऐसा
कुछ और चाहिए, थोड़ा और कर सकती है और थोड़ा कुछ निकालते हैं इनसे. And I'm very happy about processes like this because when you put so much effort into something and you get it, it feels so good. I think it's like that, सालों बाद या फिर 6-7 auditions, 10 auditions के बाद अगर कुछ मिलेगा तो then you feel that कामयाबी वाली feeling.
मतलब फाइनली वो जो मेहनत है वो रंग लेकर के आई.
Exactly. I think it's so much nicer when you get something that's hard fought.
But मतलब डायरेक्टर्स की तरफ से भी ना, जब आप इतने बार ऑडिशंस दे रहे हो, जनरली क्या होता है ना कि डायरेक्टर के दिमाग में एक ऐसा होता है, कॉन्सेप्ट होता है कि मेरे को इस टाइप के कैरेक्टर वाली लड़की चाहिए. तो वो उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा ब्रीफिंग दिया था कि हाँ ये मुझे तुम में दिखता है और इसको थोड़ा और.
डेफिनेटली क्योंकि निकी के कैरेक्टर, शी इज वेरी independent. She's very headstrong, or she does only what she thinks and feels. Idhar se sab, she feels and thinks from her stomach, and ज़्यादा कुछ सोचती नहीं है. So it's a kind of मुंहफट भी है. और I think that's they wanted this type of a girl who's very headstrong, very sure of herself, and no nonsense. So I knew that even in the audition मुझे वही portray करना था, and luckily after 6 rounds they were like अच्छा ठीक है.
Finally
now this is good.
Start करते हैं स्टूडियो माइक से डायरेक्ट फिल्म कैमरा तक में आने में क्या स्ट्रगल थी actually?
I think for 4 years I was just auditioning, and
for
4 years. I was just for acting.
Oh.
I think from the beginning when I reached Mumbai, I think maybe this is what happens to every person who reaches Mumbai. Some point the acting bug hits you. And you're just like, mujhe ye bhi karna hai. So initially I came in as a musician, but within 3-4 months I was already auditioning for acting. And it took time because I have this accent. I sound so American. First I had to learn Hindi. मुझे हिंदी भी आती नहीं थी उस टाइम पे 7 साल पहले. I couldn't speak in Hindi. So I first had to learn Hindi. Then I had to learn how to have an Indian accent while I spoke in English. Because if I'm speaking in Hindi in one scene, the next scene I can't sound American when I speak in English. So all of that took 4 years until I got to a point that casting directors were confident. Maybe we should try and audition her for this role. Because पहले जब मैं audition दे रही थी, they were like, अच्छा ठीक है, cute था, but I don't think it's happening anytime soon. So it took time and it took lots of effort, and just like I've rugged out in my music career. I've been singing since I was 4 years old. Nothing in the arts comes like this.
तो language barrier को कैसे cross किया? Like जब होता है ना बहुत बार गाते.
Yeah, I think the first thing was I learned language from singing. मुझे समझ में नहीं आती थी lyrics, so I was like, okay, I would have somebody translating everything for me in my dubbing, and they would say, okay, aks ka ye meaning hai, and it's different from ishq, and it's different from mohabbat, and ye aise pronounce karna chahiye, isko aise karna chahiye. So then after a while I was like, acha, so I have to really focus on learning Hindi as a language. And from doing all this, from learning lyrics, from singing, that's where my fluency came from. And then anyways, Mumbai mein rehte hain, so people speak Hindi everywhere. And then I was just listening and picking up on not only Hindi but also on the accent of Mumbaikars, because I had to also do that whenever I act.
Yeah, लेकिन आपके कैरेक्टर की बात करें निकी की, काफ़ी लेयर्ड कैरेक्टर देखने को मिलती है. So while doing this, मतलब playing this character, कुछ ऐसा नया एक्सप्लोर किया अपने बारे में?
I think the thing I explored mostly was that ये काम difficult है. I think it's more than the character bringing something to me about me personally. I know myself very well, but what I didn't anticipate is how hard acting is. And I think just in the role of playing Nikki and being on set for so many days, we were in Jaipur for almost over 40 days in Loo the whole time. So we were in 40 degrees.
How did you manage that weather?
पक रहे थे.
My God.
We were literally being cooked every single day. And शाम को तो 3-4 डिग्री की ठंड में हम शूटिंग कर रहे थे. So it was tough. I didn't realize for actors this is part of the process. Is I said, everything won't be a design set with AC and
obviously
some spot boy bringing you food every 15 seconds. Pani mil raha hai, it's inconvenient. Lots of times when you're working on sets that are live locations, you don't have so many days क्योंकि वो shoot dates locked हैं. ये किसी का घर है, ये महल operating महल है. So we shot in Jaipur City Palace while the royal family was living in the palace. So you have to understand that इतने ही takes हैं and you have to do it right in just that time, because you don't get around 50. So it's that I learned about the process of acting. I was like, this is a tough job because you have to really push your body and you have to push your mind every single day. In a musician setting, see, I'm writing the lyrics, I'm composing the songs, I'm singing it in the studio. So मेरे time पे सब काम कर रहे हैं, and I'm the director technically. In the actor's world, it's not that. You have to answer to everybody else. So that's my biggest learning, I think, from this process. More so than Nikki teaching Lisa something, acting taught me something.
And what was the relatable content? And अगर बात करें कुछ ऐसे relatable aspects की, तो वो क्या चीज़ थी Nikki की character में?
I think she and I are very similar.
That's why director chose you.
Yeah, I think so. I think at some point they were able to see that ये तो actually same ही इंसान है. I'm very headstrong. I'm very independent. I'm also self-made. I come from that background of an office job and everything. But I think the one difference between us is I'm a little bit lighter. I like doing a little more masti, having fun, joking, and she's a little bit more serious.
I must wonder कि set पे सबसे ज़्यादा वो joking वाले part और मस्ती खोर वाले.
Sumukhi Suresh, we had the luck of being, you know, with a comedian in all of our scenes. So Sumukhi has stolen the show. She's such a fantastic comedian, and she was bringing out the comedy in everybody else.
What was the best part, like behind the shoot में ऐसा कुछ ऐसा memory creating वाली कुछ part हुई थी?
I think all the time that we got to spend together was amazing because इतने सारे दिन के लिए हम एक ही जगह पे सब रह रहे हैं. We're all in the same hotel in Jaipur. So the leads, you know, cast the 6 of us who are the same age in one location every single day, eating together, working out together, taking walks, practicing, rehearsing with each other, doing masti on the side, watching films. All that was happening every single day. So it felt like one party. Like you're waking up and hanging out with your friends, and then you're like, oh, okay, sorry, we have to go to shoot and, you know, be in heat for the next 10 hours. Yeah.
The worst part.
The worst part is the temperature, guys. I love Rajasthan, even as a musician. The most touring and shows anybody in India does as a musician is always in Rajasthan, especially in the private market, because so many weddings and things happen there. So I'm very used to Rajasthan. But I wasn't used to it for this many days. So I was like, okay.
Chalo, manage karte hain.
Change my mentality and adjust and not be so posh.
Okay, fine. कभी मतलब जिस हिसाब से बताया कि वहाँ पे रॉयल फैमिली ऑलरेडी रह रही थी, तो उन लोगों के साथ भी मतलब कभी कुछ ऐसा कॉन्वर्सेशन हुआ कि हाँ?
Yeah, definitely. वो सब आते थे actually set पे. The king, right, Pacho. And his sister. He's really young. He's only 26. And you're like, no, he's good looking, guys. Please check out his social media. But he and his sister Gauravi, who's the princess, they came on the set. Once in a while, they would just walk around and see what's happening and treat our house nicely. And actually, हम सब ने उनके साथ ही होली ने मनाए थे. So we were invited to have this really big celebration of Holi, which everyone in, I think, India knows that Pacho and Jaipur's, you know, royal family's Holi. Yeah, they have a really mad party. So that was so fun, and it was beautifully done. It was on the Royal Palace grounds, and hundreds of people were there. It was full masti.
Full masti के साथ ही अगर co-actors की बात करें, उनके साथ कैसा vibe set हुआ था वहाँ पर?
From this series, Bhumi and I became actually best friends. And I think it was lovely to have someone like a sister every single day on set with me. So we became very, very, very close. And we still are very, very close. We still meet all the time. We talk all the time. So I think I was not expecting we would become so close. And she said the same thing, you know. She's always had pleasant experiences of acting with her co-actors, but it's rare when you make an actual friend and that friendship stays beyond the filming. Because sometimes what happens is it feels like it's one big summer camp. And then jab, you know, shooting band hoti hai, then you just go and, you know, back to your normal life and you don't think about the people that you were working with until the next time you meet. But we actually just have always stayed in touch since then. So that was lovely.
So what do you think? What is the best part of Bhumi as a friend?
I think Bhumi is just a solid girl's girl. She's just always rooting for her female friends and uplifting them and giving advice and being very present on set. And she's such a senior actor. She's been in the industry for 10 years. She's so respected. And sometimes I was like, why are you wasting your time teaching me? I'm like a beginner. But she would, you know, give me little tips and advice on how to do this scene. And, you know, let's rehearse the lines together so that it looks natural once we actually roll the cameras. And she's just so kind and just a wonderful person.
And Zinat Aman bhi thi set pe. उनके साथ उनसे कुछ मिला क्या कुछ advice?
I don't think she would waste that many words on random people.
I don't think so.
No, she's really kind. I think advice to mili nahi, but I learned something from watching her. I think it's that, you know, even at her age and stage in life, she's so humble, and she treats every day like it's her first day on set. She's always on time. Listen, I'm this young and I'm complaining about the heat.
Yeah.
She never complained. She was on set for 5 hours, 6 hours in 35, 38 degree heat in Rajasthan, peak sunlight, not complaining. She was just there, she was present, she's there to do her job, and she was not in a bad mood ever. She was always ready to just, give her best. So that I learned without her having to give me advice, just from watching her. It's like, wow, that's how you stay in this career for a long time, is you adjust and you adapt and you're, constantly able to rise to the challenge.
एक्चुअली एंड अभी रिसेंटली भी हमें देखने को मिला था कि वो अभी एडमिट हो गई थी, उनकी तबीयत थोड़ी ख़राब हो गई थी. तो सेट पर कैसी थी उनकी तबीयत? उस समय भी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें चल रही थी या फिर अभी ये एकदम ऑल ऑफ सडन हुआ था?
She was, touch wood, she was fine on set. And I can't speak much to her medical life and personal life, I think. But she was okay on set when we were filming.
Yeah. And बात करें अभी, आप हमेशा ईस्ट और वेस्ट का फ्यूजन लेकर आए हो अपने म्यूजिक में. क्या वो कल्चरल ब्लेंड एक्टिंग में भी दिखेगा आपके कैरेक्टर में?
I hope so. I think anyways East or West का blend है ही. And Nikki is very modern. She lives a very metro city life. So you can put her in Mumbai as a Mumbaiker. You can put her in America as somebody who lives in Chicago. It's all possible. I think in the future I would love to play an Indian American on screen. I think if I can play somebody like Devi in Never Have I Ever, but like the older version of her, I think capturing that NRI experience will be really fun.
And बात करें वो वीरे दी वेडिंग की, जो बॉलीवुड में स्टार्टिंग फेज था, और अब द रॉयल्स में जब की लीसा से बात करें और उस टाइम की लीसा से बात करें, तो कितना डिफरेंस आ चुका है दोनों के?
I think I was so young and I didn't know anything at that time. So the only thing, that I understood was I have to just show up here and listen and learn. And now, so many years after that, I feel like I have such a strong understanding, especially of the music industry. But I'm feeling like that same kid again in the acting industry because it's so new to me.
Yeah.
So it will take time again. I think it'll take 5-6 years until I'm settled into acting. It's been only 2 years. So I think that wonder and awe that I had from day one when I came here, it's happening again now.
Yeah. And the Royals की बात करें ना, तो काफ़ी ड्रामा से भरी है, कई सारी चीज़ें, थ्रिल है, सब चीज़ें. कभी ऐसा हुआ था कि कोई सीन ऐसा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं और उसके बाद ना कुछ ऐसा होता है ना कि एक सीन है, उसको परफॉर्म करने में सारे एफर्ट्स लगा दिए और उसके बाद का जो ब्रेक डाउन होता है, कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ?
There's a scene that we do that's very difficult where my heart gets broken by Ginny and I get rejected. And that was difficult because you have to think of a memory of something similar and bring that to the screen. Because I don't use bliss, I like crying real tears. So that's hard. And then after you're done shooting that scene, you feel this like emotional drain, which, by the way, that's only 5 minutes, so I can't imagine people like Bhumi who do this all the time, like entire movies where she's in distress and pain. So I hope that in the future I can last longer than 5 minutes.
बट अभी मेन स्ट्रीम में बात करें, अगर मेन स्ट्रीम में लेकर के जाना पड़े तो कौन से फील्ड को लेकर के जाना पसंद करोगे, सिंगिंग या फिर एक्टिंग?
I think both. I think I was lucky in Call Me Bae to do both things. I contributed to the music as a composer and a singer, and then I was also on screen. But I like separating both of them. If my character is not a musician, I should not be singing on screen. I think let's leave that to background score and composition. So if I can contribute as a composer and make a song for something, great. If I am on screen, it doesn't have to be that I'm singing while I'm on screen. So an actor is an actor, a musician is a musician. I'm going to keep it separate until and unless I play a musician and I have to sing. Then, if they make a girl version of Rockstar, Imtiaz Ali, I'm looking
We
at
are
you.
waiting for that.
Yeah, he loves making musician-based films.
Yeah.
So I'm just saying. Please
You
call
never
me.
know.
Please call me. I'm available. I'm always available. आपके लिए तो मैं बिल्कुल free हूँ.
I think so. Manifesting.
Putting the energy out into the world.
Okay, one word for your co-stars, Ishan Khattar
Diligent.
and Bhumi Pednekar.
legend.
Jannat Aman.
Legend. She's
Ana-
a young legend and OG legend.
Ananya Pandey.
So sweet. Nicest.
She's such a sweetie.
She's just the nicest person. We need 500 more Ananya's energies in every room.
My God.
She's the nicest.
What is the best experience with her?
Every day with Ananya is the best experience. We talk like, you know, we're childhood friends. She's so funny and she's so fun. Like, she's fun to be around. She keeps everything light. She's halka.
Seems so. अगर निकी का प्लेलिस्ट बनता है तो कौन से 3 लीजा मिशेल सॉन्ग्स उसमें होते?
I think number 1 would be Rider, and that would be dedicated to me and Bhumi as best friends. She's tu hi meri rider. And then probably Wakra, because there's these moments where Nikki's very like badass. So that's when I want to enter with that as my theme song. And I would say one love song for me and Kavya's arc. From Nainta Heere. It's a beautiful song.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
एक छोटा सा, please.
Oh.
Nainta.
Nainta Heere varge. I don't remember the rest of the lyrics, guys. It's been like 3-4 years.
But I still remember that rhythm.
Yeah, it's a beautiful
So
song.
soothing. Yeah. And ज़्यादा nerve wracking क्या होता है? Bollywood के लिए गाना या जन्नत जी के opposite scene करना?
Zinat ji के opposite scene करना definitely मैं तो फटी रही थी. I was just like, oh God, I have to like do this well, and otherwise I'm disappointing. Like God knows how many generations of people I'm disappointing.
But कभी ऐसा उन्होंने किसी को डांटा है आपने?
No, not at all. She's too like, she's a professional. She's not there to do all this nonsense.
फिलहाल अभी pipeline में क्या है?
Pipeline में Call Me Bae season 2. We're going to be filming that this year. Hopefully, the ratings are very good so far on Royals. We might get a season 2 of that. Hopefully we announce that. I don't know, guys. Please make our show number 1. And then more music. Always more music is happening.
We hope अभी ये कॉन्वो यहाँ पे ही अभी कंप्लीट नहीं होने वाला. ये अभी और भी कई सारी चीजें लेकर के आने वाले हैं. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Thank you. It was so fun.
Thank you.